Up this week, we've got the most amazing, packed full of flavour pasta dish. This is my wild mushroom and smoked garlic pappardelle. Okay, so super simple pappardelle recipe. I mean, this is going to be ready in a matter of minutes. Really, really easy, super tasty ingredients. So first up, we've got some dried mushrooms here. I'm going to activate these with a nice bit of boiling water just over the top. So into your bowl, got some porcini here. I'm going to add some of our pasta water straight over the top of the mushrooms. We're going to season the mushrooms, so a generous pinch of salt. And again, a generous amount of pepper just over the top. Give them a good mix round, and we're just going to put them to the side, and we're going to use that stock that it's going to create to make the most amazing tomato sauce. So you're going to get a pan nice and hot, add some olive oil, and you're going to add about a half finely chopped red onion. We've got 4 cloves. I've got some pickled garlic here. Whatever garlic you've got will be fine. We're going to add our garlic. So you just want a nice low heat through there. We don't want to have too much intensity on there. You just want to warm it through. We've got some beautiful sun-dried tomatoes here, and we're just going to tear them straight in. Over here we've got our boiling water. We're going to nicely season that, generous amount of salt. Now we're going to put a smoky element through this. So we've got some smoked paprika, and you're going to add about a decent teaspoon of this. Now you're going to watch those onions go a beautiful sort of translucent sort of red colour. Seasoned water, our pappardelle can go straight in. So working quickly, we've got some basil and we've got some beautiful black garlic. So black garlic, this has just been smoked, and then you can see once you smoke it, you get this beautiful sort of garlic paste. We've got some basil, so we're going to take about 3 or 4 of these and just roughly chop them up. So that's pretty much cooked through there. We're going to add our beautiful mushrooms. And you've got this beautiful flavour, so this amazing umami that you're going to get from the mushrooms themselves. I'm going to add a splash of that at a time. So you're going to just keep adding that stock because it's got so much powerful flavour through there. You're going to add it, reduce it, add it, reduce it, add it, reduce it until you get this beautiful silky sauce. I'm going to add half a tin of chopped tomatoes. I'm going to take a small amount of chilli, and I'm just going to grate this because I don't really want to have big lumps going through there, but I want that smokiness and the actual garlic to start working with that chilli. It will just put a nice bit of warmth through the sauce. I'm going to add the last of that mushroom. I'm going to add a little bit of balsamic vinegar, a nice small slug of white wine, and we're just going to let that reduce and thicken for the last time. So you see there, it's gone really nice and thick and glazed. That's going to be perfect now to start adding in our pasta. We're going to season again, nice bit of pepper. I've gone off of my heat now, and we're just going to put a little piece of salted cheese through here. This salted cheese works so well with these mushrooms. And you can see here, with that cheese, that will start melting through, and it creates this most incredible silky sauce. Let's serve this one up. And we're going to finish that off with a nice generous amount of our salted cheese, just melted over the top. And lastly, just a few pieces of basil. There we go, simple cooking again this week, super tasty. The flavours going through there is going to be absolutely immense. You've got the smoked garlic, you've got the beautiful wild mushrooms. So that is my wild mushroom, the smoked garlic pappardelle. Look, if you get recreating this one, as always, hashtag me as Haste Kitchen, and I'll see you next week. Cheers then, bye-bye.